Hello everybody. Today I got some parts that came in and let me take you out to the garage and we can see what we're going to do today. Alright, excuse me. I got some, well, first thing is we're going to go ahead and, hey look who's there, Bailey. Okay, the first thing I got here is I got a coolant temperature sensor, and the reason I got this is because it's not overheating, but it sort of is. When I'm driving down the road, I'm noticing that it runs about 210, a little bit under 210, which is normal. But the issue that I'm having is that it's actually, if I go like say on a highway or speedway, damn it, I hate doing things with one hand like I always say. But anyway, here, made in the USA, I got this part at Amazon, of course, it's mobile part. It's a little bit more expensive, but I've learned already that when it comes to sensors and other items for the Jeep, you have to get more parts. Reason, because if not, you'll end up replacing them again later on down the road. So I got the temperature sensor, coolant temperature sensor, which is this one right here. I'm going to go ahead and change it out. And the reason I'm changing this, like I said, when I'm on the highway, my reading starts to go up to about 210, a little bit higher, fluctuates. So what I did was I put my OBD2 sensor in, which is right here. And when I driving down the road and I put my phone, OBD2 sensor says I'm doing temperatures at 206, 204, 26, 210. So it doesn't even get to 210 really. But just to be on the safe side, I'm going to change the sensor because I think that's what it is. Like I said, Amazon. I'm trying to remember how much it is. I went online because I want to get everything Mopar. Here's a brand new sensor. Comes with the lock thread already in it. We'll go ahead and do a quick video here, show you how to install it. Alright, I went back online and it's $37.30. If you're interested in it, I'll put the link below, just let me know. I had to get some light because of course it gets a little darker, so you can see it looks better. I also have it connected to my new reel. Got it for Father's Day. If you're interested, I'll put it in the link below and just let me know. And of course, yes, I have to have the medalla. But let me go ahead and got a couple things here. This is for the sensor. I got this yesterday. What it is, it's a socket, 12 volt cigarette lighter. You might ask why I got this. It's for the fridge that I purchased. Yes, I got a fridge. Have to make a video on it. So far, so good. I don't want to be plugging into the front of the car, so I'm going to go ahead and drill a hole out in the back on the center console so we can plug it from the back. Here's the extension plug, and it goes like this. This is from the fridge. This is going to be a separate video. Maybe tomorrow, maybe next weekend. And then I got in here a cutoff switch. The Dalis 280E 2 theft deterrent system. Yes, it's magnetic. There's 2 magnets in order for the car to start. And I'm starting to go out more, and I'm worried somebody might steal my pressure seat, so I'm installing one of those. And I got here a couple weeks ago, this is the molding. This molding here. You see how it's coming out? Well, I called the company and they didn't want to send me a new fender, but what they did was they sent me a molding. So I'm going to go ahead and do that eventually. And then of course I've been getting people asking me, oh, I also have the stable seat for the driver's seat. If you look back at one of the videos, I installed this in the passenger seat. It's great. And the cables here from cheapcables.com. I have not finished installing this. It's been probably, I don't know, 6 to 8 months. Got people asking me on YouTube, when am I going to finish the installation? You know, I got to work every day. It's hot in the garage. Speaking of hot, bam! Here's another gift that I got. So that way I can't say I can't do no videos. And it's too hot. Hopefully it doesn't bother. I might have to shut it off. I think it's a little bit too loud. But let me see if I can go ahead and place this here. Or you can watch me. Hold on. Sorry, I'm trying to get it in the right center. Make sure I get a good view so you can see what's being done. Press this. Maybe right here. Put it down to the 9. Perfect, but is it moving? We gotta be getting it. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and unplug the original sensor, which is the up or down. So I gotta open the phone. And I've seen. Let's see what I got there. Let's see. We're gonna have to put this. There we go. That's it. Looks clean, brand new. Put it to the side here. What I want to do is I'm gonna have to measure the size. It's not gonna be a socket. Once I have one long enough for this, let's see which one it is. I had to move the camera back to a different angle because I won't be able to take it off. I had to shut the fan off because I want to make sure the video comes out good. 3 forks, and then we're going to come over here and start taking it off. I don't know if any coolant's going to come out because that's what's it attached to, but I guess we will find out. Like I said, it wasn't overheating. Jeep runs fine. I'm just picky, and I noticed that it was actually going over to 210. But I think it's the reason is, to be honest, I put these bigger tires, and when I put the bigger tires is when I started noticing that problem, which is not a problem, but let's see here. Yep, there's coolant right there. This thing was pretty old here. Let me show you in the camera. See right here how rusted out. Let me get a little bit closer look here. Sorry about that. And here's the new one. See the difference? It could be this, it could be that. But what is it, 24 years old? I would not doubt that maybe that's what it is. Let's go ahead and install the new one. Alright, I got some bad news. When I looked at the other side, this is what it looks like. So as you can see, it's not going to work. I might have to send it back. Hopefully send me the correct one, or I'm just going to have to buy one from somewhere else. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and clean this and then just put it back in. Hopefully it'll work just fine until I get the new one. Alright, I went ahead and cleaned it with the steel brush. You know, wiped it off as much as I can. Looks a little better. Here, focus, focus, focus. There we go. Looks better. I'm gonna go ahead and reinstall it until we get to the next part. See if this does anything. Maybe it'll help out a little bit. Make sure you don't double thread it, because then you really be up shit's creek. Just tight to work with here. Make sure you put it on nice and tight, snug, not too tight where you're gonna mess with the threads or anything, but you want to where it's not gonna leak either. I think that might be right about good. Alright, I'm gonna leave it like that. I'll keep an eye on it just to make sure it's not leaking or anything. I don't think it will, but the other side. I will keep an eye on it. Then I'll put the plug back in. There we go. Okay. Alright, folks. Sorry for the short and quick video, but shit happens. So I hope you understand. It's hot. Hope you understand, shit happens. You get the wrong parts. But this is how we learn. Now I'll send it back. Thank God it's Amazon. Get my money back. And I'll see if maybe tomorrow I'll do the other video of the installation on the lighter plug. And see you on the next one. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.